Yeah guys, it's been a couple of months since my last update, and sorry I couldn't get one to you guys sooner, but the wife and I have recently bought our own home. So the last few months we've been a little bit busy renovating the house and moving all our stuff, but that's all behind us now. So hopefully the updates can come a little bit more frequently from now on. Now unfortunately I have nothing here at the moment. I've got none of my tools and none of my workshop equipment. That's still back in my shed at my family home. So I'm going to have to slowly bring all that over here before I can start working on cars again. But on a positive note, the painter did give me a call and said he's been working on my car, and but the bodywork has almost been finished. He's been working on it for the last 2 weeks. So I figured we'd go down for a drive. It's a nice day, and let's go check out what he's done on the car. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm here at the paint shop. They've started work on the car, which is good. Been waiting patiently in line. Yeah, about time. Yeah. Ah, it's alright, I understand. You know, just had to, you said it from day one. This is Marcel, say hello.
Hi guys.
It's my painter. But you said it from day one. You'll be waiting a while. You didn't, you told me there's a bit of a queue, and we've finally, I've been waiting patiently, and we finally,
Even though we jumped the queue in a few cars too, but, yeah.
But yeah,
we try and do what we can.
Yeah, we're getting stuck into it now. And yeah, they've been tidying up my rust repairs. And down where the dog legs have sunk in, when I welded in that patch, that's nice and flat now. And also in the fuel filler area. And all that's left is the roof.
And one door.
Yeah, and the other door. And they also fixed, they welded in a patch where we found that last bit of rust after it was sandblasted. And so next is, you said to epoxy it once again.
We'll re-epoxy it to seal everything back up, and
give it a bit of a rub
it
back.
all down, and high fill it, and hopefully let it sit for a while, and then we'll block that down, and hopefully it'll be nice and straight and paint.
Yep. And so the high fill, you said we leave it so it can sink back.
We'll leave it. We won't block it down until we're ready to paint it, because we only got like a small window once we block the high fill to paint it.
Yep.
So hopefully if I can block it down and paint it the next following day, will be good.
Yep. So yeah, just a quick update. I thought I'd come down and show a bit of progress on the car. And we're making progress, so happy days. All right.
In the next couple of days, it should be back to epoxy again.
Yep.
Again.
Yeah, maybe I'll come down next Friday again after work and have another look.
A little small thing there.
Oh yeah.
So that's easy to get to.
And all the underside was all wrapped, aligned, very nice. Awesome. Alright guys, well there you have it. Looks like plenty of work was done on the Z. As Marcel said, they've started all the body work on it, and 80% of it's done. I'm glad they finally hammered out and bogged up all the repair work I've done. I got sick of looking at, especially at that fuel filler area where I did the welding panel, and the dog legs where it had all that nasty sink back of the metal. So it's starting to look straight and a lot nicer and neater now. So yeah, as Marcel said, probably next week you'll have it back in epoxy to re-seal the whole car and re-seal all the repair work he's done. And hopefully in a few weeks after that, he can get it in high fill. And as he said, once it's in high fill, it's going to probably sit like that for a month or so, just for it to cure. And if there's any sink back with that high fill, he can repair that, and we're going to have no problems with the paint once it gets painted. So yeah, hopefully in the next month or so, the car will be done, and I can start slowly piecing it back together. But like I said, we've just moved. I have nothing whatsoever here. I haven't even set up the garage yet, as we're doing renovations inside the house, of course, at the moment. And I want to epoxy the floors here, and you know, probably build some shelving to fit to that back wall. It's only a small garage. I need to try and utilise the space as best as possible. But yeah, that'll do it for the update of the Z, and maybe I'll head down in another couple of weeks and see what the progress is. Alright guys, thanks for watching.